What if I told you there are places in the universe where time stops? Light disappears, and reality as we know it breaks apart. These places aren't science fiction. They're real, they're terrifying, and they're called black holes. Black holes, the mystery of the universe. A black hole starts when a massive star dies. When it runs out of fuel, gravity takes over, crushing the star inward until its core collapses into something unimaginably dense. That tiny point? It's called a singularity, where all the mass is squeezed into a space smaller than a pinhead. Surrounding it is the event horizon, a boundary in space. If you cross it, there's no way out. Not even light can escape. That's why it's called a black hole, because we can't see what's inside. Now, not all black holes are the same. There are stellar black holes, born from stars, just a few times the mass of our Sun. Then there are intermediate black holes, hundreds or thousands of times heavier, but harder to find. And finally, supermassive black holes, absolute monsters, millions or even billions of times more massive than the Sun. Believe it or not, there's one at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A star, and it's over 4 million times the Sun's mass. Here's where it gets weird. Black holes don't just trap matter, they warp time. The closer you get to one, the slower time moves, at least from the perspective of someone far away. If you hovered near a black hole for a few hours, years might pass outside. This is real. It's called gravitational time dilation, and it's straight from Einstein's theory of relativity. Movies like Interstellar got this part surprisingly right. But wait, if black holes are invisible, how do we know they're real? Great question. We spot them by what they do. If a black hole is near a star, its gravity pulls matter in. That matter heats up and glows as it spirals inward, creating a bright disk of energy. We've also detected them by their effects on stars' orbits, like invisible dance partners. And most amazingly, in 2015, scientists detected gravitational waves for the first time, from two black holes crashing into each other. Then, in 2019, this happened. The first ever picture of a black hole, M87. That's a real black hole, or more precisely, its shadow, captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, a true milestone in astronomy. So, what's inside a black hole? The truth is, we don't know. Physics breaks down at the singularity. Space and time no longer work the way we understand them. Some theories say black holes might connect to other parts of the universe, or even to different universes entirely, through something called a wormhole. Other ideas suggest black holes eventually vanish, evaporating slowly over billions of years by emitting something called Hawking radiation. This leads to a huge mystery. What happens to the information that falls in? Is it destroyed forever? Or is it somehow preserved? This is the black hole information paradox, and it's one of the biggest puzzles in science today.